Welcome to Online Biz Breakthrough. Do you want to know the secret to creating a passive income in 2024? If the answer is yes, let's dive into the world of passive income now and see where money can work for you while you sleep. Imagine financial security without trading hours for dollars. Picture having the freedom to spend time as you please while your bank balance grows. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, it's more than possible, it's achievable. Stay tuned as we unveil the top 10 tips to create a passive income this year. Tip number 1. Invest in real estate. Real estate holds immense potential as a source of passive income. Consider the option of renting out properties. A single apartment or an entire building could provide a steady monthly income. Alternatively, you could venture into real estate investment trusts, where you can enjoy the benefits without the hassle of property management. Even crowdfunding platforms offer a way to dip your toes into real estate. Remember, real estate can provide a steady stream of income, making it a strong contender in your passive income strategies. Tip number 2, delve into peer-to-peer lending. It's a modern twist on a timeless concept, lending money. In this digital age, you can lend to individuals or small businesses online, earning interest over time. It's a way to put your money to work, creating a stream of passive income. But remember, there's always risk involved. You're banking on people being able to pay you back. It's not foolproof, but with due diligence, peer-to-peer lending can be a lucrative passive income source if managed wisely. Tip number 3, create a blog or YouTube channel. A digital era has made it possible to generate income by simply sharing your thoughts, ideas, or skills online. Whether it's through ad revenue or affiliate marketing, the potential is vast. But remember, the key lies in finding your unique niche and consistently delivering quality content to your audience. Think about what you love, what you're good at, and how you can provide value to others. Creating engaging content online can turn your passion into profit. Tip number 4, create an online course. You're an expert at something, right? Why not share that expertise? Platforms such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make it easier than ever. You craft the course once, and it keeps selling. Now that's passive income. But remember, the key to success is marketing. Make your course known, use social media, email newsletters, or even a blog. Share your knowledge, help others, and earn passive income with online courses. Tip number 5, invest in the stock market. It's a proven avenue for generating passive income. Yet it's not as simple as buying low and selling high. It requires understanding market trends, company performances, and economic indicators. But fear not. With a wealth of resources available, anyone can learn the ropes. Mutual funds, ETFs, or individual stocks, the choice is yours. Dedicate time for research, stay patient, and keep emotions at bay. Invest wisely in the stock market and watch your passive income grow. Tip number 6, write an ebook. In the digital age, becoming an author has never been easier. Self-publishing platforms have leveled the playing field, allowing anyone with a story to tell or knowledge to share to put it out there. But remember, writing the ebook is only half the battle. You must also market it effectively. Utilize social media and email marketing to reach your potential readers. Turn your words into wealth with an ebook. Tip number 7, rent out a room on Airbnb. This platform has revolutionized the way we travel, turning everyday homeowners into overnight entrepreneurs. Renting out a room, or even your entire property while you're away, can be a significant source of passive income. But remember, it's not just about providing a space, it's about delivering an exceptional guest experience. So, spruce up your place, offer local insights, and ensure a smooth check-in process. Turn your extra space into a passive income source with Airbnb. Tip number 8, try dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail method where you don't keep products you sell in stock. Instead, when a product is sold, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. The key to success in dropshipping is finding a profitable niche and reliable suppliers. Imagine the possibilities of earning income while you sleep, without the stress of handling inventory. With dropshipping, you can run an e-commerce business without handling inventory. Tip number 9, venture into affiliate marketing. It's like being a middleman, but in the digital world. You promote other companies' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. But remember, authenticity is key. Choose products you genuinely believe in and would recommend to your closest friends. Devise effective marketing strategies to reach your audience. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time and effort, but once set up, it can be a profitable way to earn passive income. And finally, tip number 10, create an app. In this digital age, a well-crafted application can become a goldmine of passive income. All you need is an innovative idea that solves a problem or provides value. But remember, a great idea needs a skilled development team to bring it to life. With the right combination of creativity, technical expertise, and marketing strategy, your app could reach millions of users worldwide. An innovative app could be your ticket to passive income. So there you have it, 10 tips to create a passive income in 2024. From investing in real estate to developing an app, each path offers the opportunity for financial growth and freedom. Remember, the key to passive income is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across various channels. This way, you'll be on your way to a more financially stable future. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more financial advice and tips. Here's to your financial freedom.